Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 5 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. Before we start, you can pair this watch with the Android phone in two ways. The first way is to do it through the setup process. Basically, if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the second way is to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up, because you can set up the watch without connecting it to a phone. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Okay, let's continue. So, first thing you will need to do with your watch, you will need to turn it on. And you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. After the watch turns on and it's brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see the welcome message on the screen, or hello message basically. And once you see this message, tap on the screen to continue. And this will bring you to the list of languages. Here you can scroll through the list by swiping on the screen, find the language you would like to use on your watch. Once you find it, tap on it to select it. And as you can see, now we're being asked if you want to pair the watch with a phone. We want to do it, so tap on the check mark and the watch will enter the pairing mode. Now we need to download and install the GARMIN Connect application on our phone. You can do it by scanning the QR code with your phone or simply by opening the Google Play Store and downloading it from there. I'm gonna use the Google Play Store, so let's make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on the phone you want to use to pair the devices. Then open the Play Store, tap on search and type in GARMIN Connect and tap on search. And you should see this application on the list, GARMIN Connect. Tap on it to select it, then tap on install to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, you will need to log in into a Garmin account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on create account right here. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on sign in and enter the email address and password. But first we need to check the box right here and then tap next. And now we can enter the email and password to log in. Okay, and after you enter the email address and password, you can tap on next to continue. As you can see, the watch is not in the pairing mode anymore. Let's tap on the check mark to re-enter the pairing mode, then log in. And the app, after you log in, the app will start looking for the nearby devices. And if it, oh, never mind. First we need to allow the permission. So tap on allow access and tap on allow. And after you allow the permission, the app will look for the nearby devices and it should detect your Vivoactive 5. If it doesn't, you can always press the lower button to go back and then tap on the check mark to re-enter the pairing mode. And after that, the app should detect your watch. Once it does, tap on connected, tap on allow. Tap on pair. Next, here we can set up the sleeping schedule. This is useful if you want to use do not disturb mode during sleep. So basically, if you don't want to get disturbed by the notifications and stuff like that. If you want to edit the schedule, tap on the edit button right here and adjust the bedtime. Wake time. And you can also select the days on which the schedule should be active by tapping on them. And once you're done, tap on save. Then tap on next to continue. Here, select the preferred wrist and tap next. Now we can set up the goals for like steps, water intake and stuff like that. Or you can tap on keep the default goals to keep it default. If you want to edit the goals, tap on edit. And here, enter the values you want to have for your goals. And once you're done, tap on next. Now we can allow the notification access. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on skip and keep it disabled. If you want to allow them, tap on allow notification access and tap on allow. Next we have the location for the, or rather permission for the location. And this is useful if you want to track your activities on the map, something like running, cycling and stuff like that. If you want to use it, allow the permission. If you don't care, you can tap on skip and skip it. If you want to allow the permission, it will redirect you here. Tap on permissions, find the location, tap on it and allow it by tapping on allow all the time or allow while using the app. Then go back to the app. Next we have calendar access. This is useful if you want to track the calendar events and stuff like that on your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on skip and keep it disabled. Next we have call log access. This is useful for the notifications about calls and stuff like that. If you want to use the notifications or see the call logs and stuff like that on your watch, allow the permission. If you don't care, you can tap on skip and keep it disabled. Phone call access again. This is useful for the notifications. Allow or deny it. Messages, notifications for the messages. Allow or deny it. And once you're done with the permissions, you will see the sync now button. Tap on it. It's gonna sync your watch with the phone. Then tap on finish. And here you can go through the tutorial on how to use the watch. I'm gonna tap on skip, but if you want to go through it, tap on next. Now we can add a Wi-Fi network to our watch. To do it, tap on add network. It will redirect you to the page with the Wi-Fi networks, and you can select one and add it. If you don't care, you can tap on set up Wi-Fi later. I'm gonna add one, so tap on add network. Select the network you want to use. Tap on password and enter the password for the network. Okay, then tap on next. Now tap on next, finish. And at this point you should see the My Day page of the app, and on it you will see the icon of your watch at the top. You can tap on it to open the device page or settings for your watch, or you can tap on more Garmin devices and you will see your Vivoactive here. Tap on it to open the settings page. And on the watch you can tap on the check mark if you want to go through the tutorial, or tap on the X to skip the tutorial. Okay, so that's how you pair the watch through the setup process. Now I'm gonna disconnect it from our phone. And we're gonna pair it through the settings. So to pair it through the settings, we need to enter the pairing mode on our watch. To do it, wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu, then scroll down, find the settings option and tap on it. Here, scroll down and find the system, tap on it, then scroll down, find the connectivity and tap on it. Then tap on phone, scroll down, tap on pair phone, and the watch will enter the pairing mode. Now we can open the app or download and install the app and then open it. And after you open the GARMIN Connect application, right here, you can tap on the plus button or more, and then Garmin devices and here you can tap on add device. Basically, if you're already logged into app and you don't have any device added, you can tap on plus or Garmin devices and add to start the pairing process. If you install the app right after you enter the pairing mode on your watch, it will automatically start looking for the nearby devices. Okay, so let's tap on the add device, tap on connected, allow, and basically go through the whole setup like we did before. So allow the required permissions if you want to, then deny or allow the permissions for the location and stuff like that. Here tap next, set up the bedtime, preferred wrist, goals, sync now. Now you would need to deal with the permissions, but we don't need to because the app we already did before. So the app remembers the permissions settings. Tap finish. Go through the tutorial or skip it. Tap finish. Add or not add the Wi-Fi network. Finish. And then you should see your watch right here. And if you tap on more Garmin devices, you should also see it right here on the list, and you can tap on it to open the settings. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.